Well, hello there. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one that I know you've all heard of. Look at that. It's bowl noodles, spicy kimchi flavor. This is made in the U.S. by Nongshim America, down in beautiful Rancho Cucamonga, California, ladies and germs. And that one's called bowl noodles. Here's the previous name, which was the name forever, bowl noodle soup. So, I know you probably don't care, but for me, that's like, whoa. Anyway, we are going to microwave this, and that's what we do. Here's our bits. Oh, there. Little sprinkle. Sprinkety sprank. Noodle block, a little bit of this here, then you fill it to line and microwave it for wait, I'll have to look. I can definitely fill it to the line, that's not too hard. We're gonna microwave this for 3.5 minutes. It says 3 to 4 minutes, less, more al dente, more well done. I'm gonna do 3.5 minutes at 70% power in the microwave so the whole thing doesn't explode. I'm going to put this fancy high-end paper plate on the bottom, and I have room temperature water. This is my Ramen Raider water. So I'm gonna fill it up to the line. And that's a thing you know now. Right. Wow, my shirt's all messy now. Crap. Alright, so we want 3.5 minutes at power level. Big. Engage. So that's how we do things here. And we have a water bottle right in front of your face. I'm sorry about that. Not what you want to be dealing with first thing in the morning, I'm sure. I'm sure you're watching this. It's like 2 a.m. for you, isn't it? Isn't it? Now I'm going to refill this high-end quality water like so, and then I just put it on the shelf right behind this thing, because so often I get the call, Ramen Raider, do you have room temperature water? Oh God, no. Crud. And then there I have room temperature water. This one hasn't been used as a lid. This one was. So that goes in the shank. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know. UFOs. It's kind of weird. I'll just say it's really weird. All of a sudden, the thing is that we're doing all these things about shooting down unidentified flying objects, which makes me think this has just been happening the whole time, like civilian junk and things like that, and then it's just like nobody really cared or knew about it, and now everybody cares or knows about it, like, oh, well, here's this crazy thing that's always happening, let's report on it. You got it. You know, I'm not sure. I'm just not sure about much anymore, folks. Yeah. It started raining for a moment. Oh, it's doing the... Do I need to leave this for a minute after it's done? Or does this one want you to burn yourself? 3. Nope, it says just go ahead and have at it. Other ones tell you to let it sit for a minute after you've cooked it in the microwave. That's kind of the plus with the paper plate too, because then it's got something to hold on to so you don't burn yourself. Yeah. I don't know. I've been really stressed out lately. It's just like the kids are insane, the dog, my poor wife's been sick. It's a lot. But you know what really helps? Cheetos. Cheetos helps. And my beverage of choice, Dr. Pepper. I enjoy that. What was it? Thursday? Or was it Friday? It was Friday. Yeah. I walked like 17 miles on Friday and my leg is still sore from that. But I ramped it up to that point. But yeah. Oh. There we are. All right. Oh God. There we are, Bob Barker. You guys watch that? Price is Right. Like the old Price is Right. They have that like on Pluto and stuff like that. Tell us what we got next. Well, Bob Barker. Hey, Bob Barker. Do you have any pudding, Bob Barker? Why, yes. Bob Barker is actually really quite rude. He'll say like, "Oh, poor baby." He like tells women this, and then he'll just like walk up to him. "Oh, kissy. It's like, wow, Bob Barker. He's a wacky dude. All right. So here's our kimchi bowl noodle soup. Whatever you want to call it. I guess you can call it both at this time because it's labeled in both ways. That kind of ended up more of the al dente, which I like quite a bit. There's our broth. Now, is it spicy? Is it kimchi? It's very tangy. I remember one time somebody from Nongshim sent me an email and asked me, would you call it tangy with one of their kimchi varieties? I'm like, I don't like using that word usually. But I would say it's kind of tangy. Oh no. We was moving fast, trying not to get caught. This is the playlist I generally don't like to use, but I need to make a new playlist for the show. I know one of these days Rotato is going to fail. Oh, you know what I'm going to use? Yeah, I should tell you about this. So in 2012, over 11 years ago, I went and I visited Nongshim America in Rancho Cucamonga, California. They called me up. They wanted me to come visit, and we were like, yeah. Back in the day without children and responsibility, to some degree. But yeah, we spent a couple days down there. It's near San Diego, and met a guy there named Ray who was really, really nice and super fan of Nongshim. He was like pretty high up in their organization. I think he's gotten higher. Congratulations. But yeah, we got to meet the president of Nongshim America, and he was kind enough to send me some bowls, and this is one of them. This was given to me by the president of Nongshim America. For all you Shin Black fans out there, yeah, pay homage, respect, right there. But yeah, thing I remember the most about him, honestly, he was really nice, but he had the coolest glasses. I was like, man, I need to get a pair of specs like that. They were super cool, really thick black glasses. I thought they were pretty darn stylish. A little bit of color. Yeah, I need to get new glasses, actually. Egg. Okay, Egg. I really need you to work with me. And you did. Gosh, thank you. Bless the egg that's got its own. I don't know. It's been a week of weekends. It's rough when your weekend isn't relaxing. That's for sure. But I'm hoping the weekend ahead, or the week ahead, will be. It is Monday. I don't know. My ability to have a sunny perspective may be all but destroyed. I hope not. I try to look on the bright side. A little bit of... I know there's going to be people that are going to like, where's the kimchi? It's like, it's kimchi flavored. It's got kimchi. I don't do enough stuff. I mean, if I did a long series of Korean varieties, I'd go buy some kimchi. But I'm not. And... yeah. A little bit of crushy pepper. And you know what? I'm going to use some more of this. This stuff is... I recommend it. It's weird though. It doesn't say to refrigerate it, which since it's in chili oil doesn't seem like a logical thing that you would do anyways. But it says use it pretty quick. So like, so you have to buy more? No. So if you like chili crisp, like Lelgon Ma, you'll like this. It's good. So there is some bowl. I don't know, what do you like better? Bowl noodle soup or bowl noodles? I honestly like bowl noodle soup. It used to be there was a YouTube video and they just called it bowl noodle hot. And it was kind of like a play on it. It was kind of funny. But bowl noodle for you here on a Monday morning still. Cool in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. Well, that's it for me for today. I do have some exciting news. A long time ago, there was a lady named Jen from Australia who sent me about 15 different Australian noodle cups. And then there was somebody on Ramen Junkies on the join Ramen Junkies if you're watching. It's our Facebook group. Over 70,000 like-minded instant noodle fans on there. But anyways, somebody posted like this big haul that they got while they were they're in Australia, and just like all these neat Indonesian varieties. And I was like, wow, you got any extras? And then she private messages me. It's like, you might remember me. I'm Jen from Australia. I'm like, oh, how's it going? She's sending me like 20 different Indomie varieties that I've never had. So there's going to be a lot of Indomie coming soon. As long as it passes through customs okay, which I'm guessing it will since it's originating in Australia. But it's tracking already, so I am jazzed. So you should be stoked. There's some crazy exotic Indomie varieties coming. Not just like ones I haven't reviewed that came out in the last few years, but ones that just freaking came out this month. So, yeah, you'll be seeing that soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.